Hello guys, how are you today? Today we are trying an acrylic bloom. This is a technique I find very difficult to do. So the colors here are very vibrant, canary yellow, my happy color. Yellow just makes me happy. Burnt sienna. I love this color combination. It's just perfect. This is a custom color that I made using deep magenta by Liquitex Basic with some white and some tallow blue by Liquitex Basic as well. My cell activator is titanium white by Amsterdam, just mixed with water, nothing else. I can see some cells. They are very little. Let me pour just a drop here. It looks very I forgot what I was going to say. Oops, I think it's a mistake. Oh. Oh, I like that one. Let's spin it. I like the colors though. There is so much white visible. Yeah, there is definitely too much white. There is some lacing, but I'm gonna try another one. So here's another canvas board. I'm trying this layer of my pillow paint. I think this is too thin. That's the first mistake that I have realized now. It's okay, we are here to make mistakes. We can always work on them, try and learn from them. Maybe tomorrow I can do a better one, let's hope. That's why tomorrows are there. It's not the same order of colors as you can see. I'm just trying, just having fun. Let's see what results I get. I've tried the bloom technique multiple times, but though this is the much better version, I have failed many times before this. Maybe some of you guys can point out my mistakes, tell me what I'm doing wrong. this that halo? It's much better here. Oh, that's nice. It's better than the first one. Love the colors here. I think I'm going to add some more sun activator here. It looks more saturated, needs to be blown. That should do the trick. Let's hope. It's a real head scratcher. Too many variables, I guess. Oh well, it's just an experiment, a new experience. It's okay, what worse can happen? I can always try again tomorrow. I love the colors though. I will improve on that technique. I love this technique very much. I think this technique gives some of the beautiful flower blooms. I love those. So I'm going to work on that. I'm definitely going to work on that. I think the two mistakes that I can see here is that my pillow paint was too thin to begin with. There is some pretty lacing. The colors are beautiful. This one is more soft. They both write beautifully. The lacings are looking good. The colors are just wow. Very tropical, very bright colors. Tell me, what do you think?